Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Magic Drawing. Today I am drawing a seahorse from letter S. First, draw letter S. Let's turn it to a seahorse now. Seahorses are tiny magical creatures that live in the ocean. Seahorses are usually small, ranging from less than an inch to about foot long. Seahorses have long curvy tails. Seahorses have special bodies covered in bony plates like armors instead of scales like fishes. Seahorses can look in two directions at once. Seahorses aren't very fast swimmers. Do you know what does the seahorse eat? If yes, please comment below. Seahorses' favorite food is plankton as well as small shrimps and fishes. Do you know seahorses don't have teeth? So they slurp up their food like vacuums. One of the coolest things about seahorses is that the male seahorse carries the babies. The female seahorses lay eggs in a special pouch on the male's belly and he keeps them safe until they hatch. Draw and paint with me. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next video.